Hello, in this video we're going to discuss system control for the Deva and Spanish Lookout huddle spaces. Deva has seating for 7 people. Spanish Lookout has seating for 5. Both systems are identical for presentation. By default, the system will be on local PC for both rooms. Now let's talk about the system control and audio. Home will always bring us date and time information. We'll go back by hitting this arrow. If we hit present, in Deva there are 3 HDMI connection capabilities, and there is an HDMI auto switch built into each table. HDMI by default is going to go to the local PC, which is available on the screen right now. And we also have front HDMI and rear HDMI in the table. In Spanish Lookout, we have one HDMI source, so if a local PC is brought in, just connect to it, it will switch the input right away. To stop that input, just hit stop, and by default it's going to go to Air Media. Air Media, and here is the splash screen on the television, Air Media is a way to wirelessly connect a laptop device, or iPhone or Android. We have to be connected to AMC Corp in order to get the wireless connectivity. And there is a 4-digit code. That code will cycle every time we connect. So if we disconnect, a new code will be available for privacy concerns. If we need help in connecting to Air Media, here's a 3-step process. Connect to your wireless network, browse Deva, make sure it's connected to AMC Corp, and then type in the code. We're going to go back and select call. Now, USB is always going to be the default for local PC connection. If we need to make a Zoom call, for any means necessary, that's always connected to the local PC. And local PC has benefits of having a camera in each of the rooms right above the television there. And this is also a speakerphone. It has built-in microphone, and in the back is a large speaker for far end. We have muting capability on the touchscreen or at the top of the unit as well. Green means go, red means muted, so the far end can't hear you. If we're having trouble listening to the far end, if they're too loud or we need to bump up their audio, we have capability right here with an audio bar. Going back, the collaboration icon lastly just tells us how to connect to an HDMI device. That's all.